Bitcoin is only about $1,500 away from the $107,000 level. Breaking below this level would spell disaster. I'm going to be honest, it could be really scary because that would create a lower low formation. This is a low. A lower low formation would mean a continued downtrend is in the cards. If we head to the weekly time frame, we still have this red sell volume bubble posted on the weekly time frame. Whale money is moving out of the market, and if we check out the TC top and bottom finder, we also have a sell signal. I want to let you know, breaking the $107,000 level on the weekly time frame would also create a lower low. We see high, low, higher, higher low, higher high. If we get a lower low instead of a higher low, this uptrend that we've been in for a very long time, since the beginning of the bull market, could be in jeopardy. So what are we doing here at Trade Confident? I know this sounds scary. What are we doing and how are we managing our money to maximize our profit no matter what happens? Well, you're going to find out in the future forecast we posted yesterday. This is how we're managing funds even outside of the crypto market, just how we're managing finances. We're giving you a downloadable app showing crypto, the S&P 500, gold and silver, and savings allocations for every net worth level. Later this week, we're going to be talking more about how the exit points are getting closer. This is actually something we talked about just a week or so ago. You can access all this and more at the links in the description down below, and members also get massive discounts on our indicators. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, volume bubbles indicator, the brand new indicator here from Trade Confident, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor. Guys, heads up, we're researching a potential $100,000 ETF buy on Robinhood early next week. Guys, we have a lot going on in the silver market. We just pushed above $54. And if you've been following us in our future forecast videos, you know how important that is. Travis's $107,000 target for Bitcoin still stands as more long leverage gets flushed today. This was posted just this morning. On the 4-hour chart with volume bubbles, you can see massive selling volume breaking out of consolidation. Up here, with that much buy-side volume on silver as shown above, I bet we hit $54 today. That's actually what this was referring to right here. Boom, $54. Guys, we are being super active in our Telegram channel. With everything that's going on, Travis is firing off fact after fact. And if you want to stay updated for free, you can access our Telegram at the links in the description down below. With that, let's jump into it. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame. Guys, we see the price is dropping. The volume bubbles over to style because I want to show you how much sell signals and sell volume there actually is. In fact, there is a lot of sell volume on today's candle, just enough to post a tiny red sell volume bubble. Now, we don't typically want to trade on this. It's not confirmed until candle close, but this means there is still significant volume in the market, enough to be pushing the price down towards $107,000, as we talked about in our Telegram channel. Remember, pushing below that could be really bad, and it's not until we see price versus well money flow all the way low, trades in favor in the long trade zone, which we actually are, so that's good. We want to see a buy or strong buy signal as we saw here for a move up. Perfect call for a little bit of profit here and larger moves in altcoins. And ideally, I'd love to see a series of green volume bubbles. Seeing multiple green volume bubbles, especially within a certain level, often indicates a move up is coming. Now, this is the daily time frame. If we look at the weekly time frame, same deal. We have a sell signal with a red sell volume bubble The price is dropping and there's no buy volume in the market yet. Price versus while money flow is low, but trades in favor still has room to drop. And again, not until we see a sell signal that we could see further moves to the upside. On the 4-hour time frame, while we did see a lot of buy volume back here, this didn't end up playing out because whale money sold out of the market. They did buy quite a bit, and this is where we saw moves up, but as they began selling out of the market, we see a consolidation pattern here with a ton of red sell volume pushing the price downwards. It all comes down to whether or not we can bounce from $107,000. If we crash below that, this is where I'm going to be getting a little bit worried for further moves down. But if we can bounce from that level, if we're able to see on the 4-hour, daily, week, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, buyer strong buy signal, and a lot of green buy volume in the market from the volume bubbles chart, that is going to be the saving grace for Bitcoin, and that is what would allow us to see further bullish action through the rest of 2025, getting on into 2026. No matter what happens, guys, you want to snag these indicators. You want to have these indicators on your chart. Price versus while money flow shows the direction and speed of whale movement in the market. The volume bubbles talks about the actual volume of whale money in the market, and volume is honestly one of the most important things you can watch. TC Top and Bottom Finder tells you ideal entry and exits, and trades in favor measures the momentum in the market and when it's likely to run out. The combination of these indicators are winning our traders money like crazy. If we head to the profits tab, this trader earned $7,000 with their first scalp, $15,700 in just over a week, met their goal of becoming debt-free, $1,000 to $5,000 every single day. Guys, if you want to get massive discounts and you want to snag these indicators, head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month of membership. Members get massive discounts, less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab. Now, the purchase of the Pro Indicator Pack or the TC Top and Bottom Finder gets you 60% off the volume bubbles indicator. Members, $150 off. But if you email us in after the purchase of a Pro Indicator Pack or TC Top and Bottom Finder, email us at BTradeConfident and you're going to get a huge $60 off coupon. We're just going to start with the Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off. Guys, you can snag the TC Top and Bottom Finder, or once this is in your cart, you can go back over to this page, head to the Volumes Bubbles tab, click I want this, and you'll have both of these in your cart. With that, all you got to do, again, click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for later this week in the future forecast episodes. Don't miss out.